Mom?
Yeah.
Since I love dumplings so much, we're playing roll your squishy dumpling.
So we get to play dumplings? All right, let's go.
Okay, bet.
What?
Okay, bullshit. Press
Join.
join.
Okay.
Okay,
Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, bullshit.
All right, so how do we play this?
It's like roll your cookie. I don't like my brown dumpling. This is cool. I used $500.
Guess I gotta play it a few times.
Yeah. You gotta be a winner, baby.
Gotta be a winner to get the
I'm not telling you the strat of putting, not put word. You're so freaking close.
That was
Ooh.
Ooh.
To sludge and mustard. You look there inside. That's the easy I like the way that was close.
That sure was close. Whoa. Got very lucky.
There you go right into it,
I
Mom.
did. All right, go away.
Yeah, get away, noob. We don't like you on the screen. That's the way you're gonna puck. Yikes. I don't feel safe. I'm so better than you.
You are.
You should go this way. There's only 3 places to get in and 4 places to get in. Okay, we can play it that way.
I mean, I kind of have to.
We can play it that way, bro.
You please in 5 or 6.
5. The limit is 6 because never go for the middle because it's the hardest one. Why'd I tell you that? I'm so funny. Call me safe, call me safe, call me safe. No, I missed. One time when I did it, I was safe. Yay! Give me my money. Can we make it 10x surprise? Please, and I'll get 1,000 if I win. I promise you, when I get to 500, I am using the bulldog. Why does it sound like I'm running? Why does it feel
Looks like you're running.
I got full life. The way you feed I'm walking to the table. Easy pie.
You're walking.
I'm
Where are you going, Panda?
You got stuck in the middle. You remember on Roll Your Cookie, every single time you got stuck in the middle, they always count you out? When it goes in the middle and it doesn't go in any cups. They should make you go one more time until you.
Stop walking. My goodness.
I'm walking to Africa.
Did you do that or something?
I'm walking to Africa. I'm walking to Africa. Africa.
Make it by the end of this game.
Africa. Okay, got a mustard. At least that's better than sludge.
Panda walking is cracking me up. Where are you going, safe panda? It went in the yellow one and then it went back out.
I'm lucky the Africa, baby.
Why? You're gonna make it.
No, I'm going to North Carolina because that's the best. North Carolina. Yay!
Right.
You tied up with me, buddy. Mom, you know I can just go on the right side. Yeah, I can. Watch, there.
Oh. What if I do all but the left side? Did you get that?
What?
What if I did all but the left side next time? What if I do that? What if I try all but the left side?
Probably.
Think so?
Think so.
Try.
I don't know. Yay!
You were as successful on both sides. I just really need to pin this football.
Goodbye.
He's making me.
Goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow at Africa. Yay! $200. We match. I declare a we match. That was not cool. If I put it right there, you would have been dead. Wait, why are we right there together? Look.
I'm glad you're not so walking.
This is weird. And why are you behind me?
I'm not sure. Oh. Oh. Going all the way across the board.
Yeah. I have a poop dumpling. Poop dumpling a bust. Yeah, you know, like the poop dumpling, like brown poop dumpling.
Is there a brown dumpling?
Yeah, look up there. When you drop it, that's the brown. Yeah.
IRL, is there a brown dumpling?
Yeah. You always might get Edie. We have 5. I have 5 lives. Look. You see it?
Oh, I do.
Look.
Oh.
No, you're just behind me.
It's not like that on mine though.
Round dumpling the poop. Poop. Dumpling. Poop. Dumpling. Yeah, it landed in mustard. I never really tried the food dumpling before. Have you ever tried it, Mom? The food dumpling? Good. My time. Please don't let me die. WB. I'll make collect some money. I know, so I can get money. Is this the Sesame lobby? I didn't buy a private server. Let's sit down there. Mom, look where I'm right here.
A boat? I'm just kidding. Oh, I would fall off that. I would not be on that.
I'm 25.
Oh, just 25.
Hey, I'm not buying. I'm buying the book. Mom, I call rematch. No. I like the way you walking. What?
Oh,
Yeah, on the first one.
wait. Maybe I don't have luck for you.
Yeah.
Give me a little boo thing.
7-1. You see that panda? He went to Africa. You see that panda? He went to Africa.
I'm having a bad game.
I'll just drop it straight. Even if I get one, I'll still win.
Should be, because you're between
Yeah, easy.
Easy peasy, lemon
Squeezy. No, that was so close.
Can't believe I got that one.
What are you gonna cook, Mama? Yes! Yeah! Dana! Dana! What was that?
My fingers. Hey, you can buy blue and then play the game.
Yeah.
Beat this round like you always have to.
Yeah, now let me complete this lobby. With 25 plus 25 equals 50. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 20 plus 20 equals 40. So 40 plus 10 equals 50. And what?
So you still won't have enough though.
Yeah, I'll have to do it 3 more times, I think.
Or we can play one more game.
Yeah. But first, I'm just... Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that.
Let's just play one more game.
Blur! Nobody saw that. Right, Mom?
That didn't happen. Let's play one more game.
Why did... No, Mom, when I was like joint, it showed cookie roll. So, they're like... So, technically, they're cookies? Is this
Don't know.
game? Is this really like the same thing as Rule Your Cookie?
I like that game, the cookie game.
I like dumplings more than that. There's that was close. Yeah. Boat, boat. I was really thinking that's like my second option. Stop doing that. You see that panda's wood eyes? He mad at you. Very. What? You see that panda's eyes? Why you go in the middle? The middle one always makes it where it can go like around the whole entire thing. Yeah. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. Wink, wink. They did. Yes.
I was going for that white one.
Don't go in the middle, because I tell you, right? It goes like across the whole entire board. Mom, you have one left. Yes.
Let's see if
Easy.
I can hold on to that last part.
Easy.
You poison all but one cup. Ugh.
Not all but one cup. 2 cups. Yeah. Now, Mom, you better watch this.
What am I
Watch
watching?
this. Watch. I quit. Items. Blue.
So will we both roll blue or just you?
I did because I had more money than you.
No, I know. Let me see. You'll roll blue.
Yeah, I will because I equipped it. My blue is way better than that poopy brown. Please color. Not safe. Please color. It's like milk and milk combined. Dang.
You saw my screen. I did not reduce that.
No.
That blue is pretty.
Please call the blue safe. He's so cute to be safe.
Rainbow or
Easy.
pink?
Yes, I think there's. No, blue's the best one, and pink's the worst one. I have like 3 pink dumplings.
What's your favorite color dumpling at home?
Blue. I like the dumpling. Wait, what if the blue dumpling got stuck there? Would they make me have to go again? But it got slapped. Yes! I think blue's blue's second worst. And pink is the third worst. Because when I was over there, I think I said, totally not tied up, bro. Bro. I am Dang.
can't believe I survived that.
And Mom, guess what? After this round, we're playing 2 more to see who.
How about one more?
Sorry.
Yes! Way too early.
That would be better. You have to pick one. You have to do 6. Yeah, I was right next to you.
Here you are. So confusing.
Is this like a glitch game because it copied me?
Can't believe I got that. One money.
First.
Okay, I guess I'll play one more game with you. I have to do it.
Wink, wink.
I have to play, see if you win.
What? We'll have to do all the marbles if I win this one. Stop. Yeah.
Bedtime.
Hey.
Oh, I got stuck on the board. I wonder what.
But I bet it'll keep going even if it is stuck.
Ah, this was right down the side.
Bring it in the pan of blue dumpling. Hey. What you be seeing right now?
Where's your going?
What you doing?
No.
Thank you, sugar.
Sugar. White milk, or is it supposed to be water?
White milk.
It is milk. Okay.
Like roll your cookie. Why is milk? Good luck. I like I won.
White one. Okay, last round.
All for the marbles.
Winner take all.
Oh.
All right, let's see how that.
Wow, I'm walking.
Oh no.
I'm going to North Carolina. See you at Africa, North Carolina. I have a question.
Yep.
When I stroke my beard.
Okay, beard.
No, I'm
Beard.
joking.
Yeah, let's go.
Because like some people say when I stroke my beard, like when they're like figuring something out, they say when I stroke my
Where
beard.
have you heard that from?
I don't know, but it's just kind of funny.
It is funny. That's why I wonder where you heard it from.
Oh, I like the blue dumpling. It's
I like the blue
my
dumpling.
the blue dumpling smiling at me.
Blue dumpling. Whoa.
Please be out, please be out, please be out, please be out. Yeah! It always does it when you're at 3, you're at 4, you're at 2, it doesn't let you. Yeah! Win or
Hey, man, stop. Wow.
take. I'm running away from you because you're so scary. Yeah! Yeah! Why do you have lipstick as your character? Yeah. Oh, really? No, watch. Watch. When you roll it, I'll show you.
Maybe she put lipstick on before bed. She was pretty for you.
No, you always wear it as your lipstick. Now watch. When you do it, watch at your look.
Lucy's got some lipstick. Oh,
Ew, mustard and dumpling. Ew, that's
a blue dumpling, not just dumpling. Although I'd rather eat mustard.
Agree. Can I say something?
What?
Guys, the champion has arrived. His name is Panda Robot.
GG, Panda. GG.
Mom, get ready.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Subscribe to Panda Roblox.
Roblox.
Bye.